Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Every year, technology takes a giant leap forward, and this year is absolutely no exception. We're seeing mind-blowing advancements that are set to change how we live, work, and play. So, if you're curious about what the future holds, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 20 technology trends that are defining this year and shaping our tomorrow. Grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. Starting at number 20, we have edge computing. Instead of sending all our data to a centralized cloud, edge computing processes it closer to where it's created. Think of your smart home devices or self-driving cars. This means faster responses, less lag, and enhanced security. It's like having a mini data center right in your pocket or your car, making real-time decisions possible without relying on a distant server. This trend is crucial for the Internet of Things to truly reach its potential. At number 19, it's all about next-generation batteries. From our phones to electric vehicles, we're demanding more power that lasts longer. Researchers are making huge strides with solid-state batteries, which promise to be safer, charge faster, and hold more energy than the lithium-ion batteries we use today. Imagine your EV charging in minutes instead of hours, or your phone lasting for days on a single charge. That future is getting closer every day. Coming in at number 18 is the rise of low-code and no-code platforms. You no longer need to be a coding genius to build an app or a website. These platforms use visual, drag-and-drop interfaces, allowing anyone with a great idea to bring it to life. This is democratizing software development, empowering small businesses, entrepreneurs, and creators to build custom solutions without writing a single line of code. It's a game changer for innovation. Number 17 is something you've probably heard a lot about: Web3. This is the vision for the next evolution of the Internet, a decentralized web built on blockchain technology. The goal is to give users more control over their own data and online identity, moving away from the dominance of big tech companies. Cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are all building blocks of this new digital frontier. It's still early days, but the potential is massive. At number 16, we have digital twins. This is a fascinating concept where a virtual model of a physical object or system is created. Think of a virtual replica of a jet engine, a whole factory, or even an entire city. Engineers can use these digital twins to run simulations, predict maintenance needs, and optimize performance in the real world without any physical risk. It's a powerful tool for industries like manufacturing, engineering, and urban planning. Moving on to number 15, let's talk about cybersecurity mesh. As our work becomes more remote and our data more distributed, the old-school approach of protecting a single network perimeter is no longer enough. A cybersecurity mesh creates a more flexible and responsive security architecture, protecting each device or individual user, no matter where they are. It's about building a security bubble around every access point, creating a stronger, more adaptable defense against cyber threats. At number 14, we see the continuing boom of everything as a service, or XaaS. We're already used to software as a service, but now this model is expanding to include, well, everything. From infrastructure to platforms and even hardware, companies can subscribe to the services they need instead of buying and maintaining everything themselves. This offers incredible flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, allowing businesses to adapt quickly in a fast-changing world. Number 13 is a big one: sustainable tech. There's a huge push across the industry to make technology greener. This includes everything from developing energy-efficient data centers and creating biodegradable electronics to using AI to optimize energy grids and combat climate change. Consumers and investors are demanding that tech companies take environmental responsibility seriously, and this trend is driving real, positive change for our planet. Coming in at number 12 is the Internet of Behaviors, or IoB. This is an extension of the Internet of Things. It's about collecting the digital dust of our lives, data from our social media, GPS locations, and online purchases, and using it to understand and even influence human behavior. While it has amazing applications in areas like public health and personalized marketing, it also raises significant ethical and privacy questions that we as a society need to address. At number 11, we have composable applications. Instead of building massive, monolithic applications, developers are now creating apps from interchangeable, modular building blocks. Think of it like building with Legos. This approach allows businesses to assemble and reassemble capabilities quickly, adapting to changing market needs much faster than before. It's all about agility and creating custom solutions on the fly. We've reached the halfway point. Kicking off our top 10 is number 10, hyperautomation. This isn't just about automating simple tasks anymore. Hyperautomation uses a combination of tools, including AI, machine learning, and robotic process automation, to automate as many business processes as possible. From customer service to supply chain management, it aims to streamline operations, reduce human error, and free up employees to focus on more creative, strategic work. Number 9 is the evolution of 5G and the dawn of 6G. While 5G continues its global rollout, bringing us faster speeds and lower latency, researchers are already working on what's next: 6G. 6G promises to be 100 times faster than 5G, enabling futuristic applications like holographic communication and truly immersive extended reality. It will connect not just people and devices, but our physical and digital worlds in ways we can barely imagine. At number 8, we have Total Experience, or TX. This is a strategy that connects the experiences of customers, employees, and users to drive better business outcomes. The idea is that a great employee experience leads to a great customer experience. By breaking down the silos between these disciplines and using technology to create seamless, integrated journeys for everyone, companies can build greater trust, satisfaction, and loyalty. Number 7 is all about responsible and ethical AI. As AI becomes more powerful, ensuring it's used responsibly is paramount. This trend focuses on developing AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. It's about tackling bias in algorithms, protecting data privacy, and making sure that AI is explainable so we can understand how it arrives at its decisions. Building trust in AI is essential for its widespread adoption. Coming in at number 6, let's talk about the metaverse. While the hype has cooled a bit, the underlying technology is still advancing rapidly. The metaverse isn't just one single virtual world, but a network of persistent 3D virtual spaces linked into a perceived virtual universe. It's about creating more immersive online experiences for gaming, socializing, and even working. Augmented and virtual reality are the key gateways to this next iteration of the internet. We're in the top 5. At number 5, we have the ongoing revolution in quantum computing. Unlike classical computers that use bits, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to solve incredibly complex problems that are impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers today. While still in its infancy, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, material science, and finance. Number 4 is a trend that's already impacting many industries: autonomous systems. We're talking about more than just self-driving cars. This includes drones, robots, and software that can learn and adapt to their environments with minimal human intervention. From automated warehouses and delivery drones to AI-powered farming, these systems are increasing efficiency, safety, and productivity on a massive scale. And now for our top 3. At number 3, we have the unstoppable rise of datafication. More and more aspects of our lives are being converted into data. Every click, every like, every step we take creates a data point. This massive amount of data, or big data, is the fuel for many other trends on this list, especially AI. The ability to collect, analyze, and act on this data is what gives modern companies their competitive edge. Our runner-up, at number 2, is applied AI and machine learning. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's a practical tool being applied everywhere. We see it in recommendation engines on Netflix, in digital assistants like Siri and Alexa, and in sophisticated medical diagnostics. Machine learning models are constantly getting better at everything from natural language processing to image recognition, making our technology smarter, more personalized, and more helpful than ever before. And finally, the number 1 technology trend of the year is generative AI. This is the technology behind tools like Chat and DALL-E, and it has taken the world by storm. Unlike traditional AI that just analyzes existing data, generative AI can create entirely new content: text, images, music, and even code. It's a massive leap forward that's being called the next industrial revolution. It's already transforming creative industries, software development, and how we interact with information itself. The potential applications are nearly limitless, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. So there you have it, the top 20 technology trends shaping our world this year. From the way we process data at the edge to the creative power of generative AI, the pace of innovation is simply staggering. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we'll be here to cover all the latest developments as they happen. What trend are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.